Hey everybody, just a quick video here on a tool that I designed. It's a little widget out of a spent uh, casing here. This does appear to be a 5.56 type of casing. And what happened was it had already gone through some case trimming process and failed my overall case length test. So I went ahead and took a projectile that had also failed a concentrivity test and went ahead and inserted it the will be considered the wrong way, and then did a crimp job that I kind of like. If you can see that nice taper to hold it in. Quite thrilled with how that turned out. And what this is I use it for, is a push tool for very stubborn takedown pins on an AR. So if we go ahead and take a look at an example here, I'm going to move the camera. Go ahead and take a look at this one particular item here. This one is particularly stubborn. If I go ahead and let's see if I can take the focus off of here and put it back on normal. Okay, we're back on 1 power. So if I go ahead and press down with this, it should be able to move it. And there it goes all the way through.